Discover what dreams are made of in the flats at Douglas Toledo. This gorgeous array of 1 to 3 bedroom apartments is designed with your style and ease in mind. Think hardwood floors, quartz countertops, and central AC, plus pendant lighting for cuteness. Don't worry about utilities, your rent covers everything. This pet-friendly living has a dedicated park for your fuzzy friends and a playground for a sweet dose of sunlight. Head to the fitness centre or unwind in the yoga room after hustling in the computer bar. Start fresh in the resort-style pool. Gather your thoughts on the sun deck and mingle in the clubhouse or by the fire pit with food from the grilling station. With the University of Toledo and Davis University only a short drive away, you'll never be late for class. Explore the city with ease with the buses on Central and Alisdale Southwest or a train at the Toledo Travel Terminal. So go on, visit amberstudent.com for your perfect home away from home in the flats at Douglas Toledo.